Hi students, now we going to discuss about exercise 2.4 exercise first question. First question we going to discuss. Here one girl is there, Amina. She thinks a number. What number there not mentioned there? What is which number she used for mentioned? The thinking. Then so we can take it as let the number be. Let the thinking number. So let the number be x. Then that number is subtracted with 5 by 2. See what she doing there? That number is subtracted with 5 by 2. Then one result will get in there. Subtraction rule. That result is multiplied with 8. So we can write it as here this number is subtracted with 5 by 2 and this result is multiplied with 8, that is equal to in which way twice of the thinking number. That number 12 that means 3 times the same number means which number she thinking x. So 3 times represent as into 3 times his same number, that is x. So we can write it as x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3 times represent as 3 into x. 3 into x, how we can write 3x? Open the bracket and x value find, then you get which number she used for thinking will get you. So open the bracket, 8 into x become 8x minus for second distributive property here, applying the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction case. Here applying the 5 by 2 is multiplied with 8 equal right side which number is there, x is there, 3x is there, 2 and 8 cancel 4 times. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. X term bring to one side, constant term send to opposite side. So 8x minus plus 3x bring to left side, change it to minus 3x. Minus 20 goes to opposite side, comes to be plus 20. 8 minus 3 become 5x equal 20. 5 table use it to cancel right and left. 5 table 5 one time. 5 table 20 4 times. So 1x means x value because how much we got? X equal 4. That means which number she think, therefore we can write it as the required number being the required number B, which number 4 is the required. So 4 is she is thinking 4 is subtracted with 5 by 2 and that answer is multiplied with 8. That answer is equal to thrice of the 4. That is the mean. Thrice of the 4 means 3 fours are how much? Here 12 is the answer. In this way she is doing. Here verification is not wanted, just you find out the that required number. So which number she thinking? She thinks number 4 as thinking. So this is the first question. I hope you can understand what I say there. The next second question. Second question they tells about here here a positive number is there. A positive number is 5 times the other number. A positive number is 5 times the other number. Then afterwards they telling first number also added with 21 and the second number also added with 21, we get a new numbers. First number, that means we can consider here second question as a first number. We don't know which is a first number. They says that in first number a positive number is 5 times the other number. Other number means which number? We don't know, here not mentioned. That's why unknown number we consider an alphabetic x. Then a second number we consider it as a 5 times the other number. 5 times means 5x. So first number we consider it as x. Second number in which way they give the expression 5 times the other number. The next second line they says that in this two numbers both both numbers side 21 is adding on the both number side. So first new number become new number is equal to added with 21. So first number is x, so new number become x is added with 21. Then same way second number also we want to find. The second new number is equal to second number, which number? 5x. 5 times the other number means 5x. That also added with 21. Then afterwards they telling that in this way two new numbers are getting. In this two new number, one number is equal to twice of the other. One new number is the twice of the other number. In this way last sentence they telling that. Then find out that two numbers they are telling like that, which are the two numbers we are using. So next expression according to question, AQ means according to question, twice of the first number, that is twice means two times, into first new number, which is a first new number, x plus 21 is equal to that is 5x plus 21. One new number is twice of the other new number. In that way they are given this sentence. So we can write it as 2 into x plus 21 equal 5x plus 21. Open the bracket and x value find out. X value substitute in first number place, x value substitute in second number place, which are the two positive numbers we will get to that is the meaning of that question. So open the bracket, 2x plus 21 2s are 42, 5x plus 21, x term bring to one side, 2x minus plus 5x goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 5x. Right side plus 21 is plus 42 goes to opposite side, comes to be minus 42. Subtract 5 minus 2, they are like terms, coefficient 5 minus 2 become 3, minus 3, a bigger number sign. Opposite symbols numbers means one is positive, other is negative. Subtract and put to big number sign. So here also 42 minus 21 comes to be how much? Minus 21 will get in there. So minus cancel. 3 table used to cancel. 3 table 3 one time, 3 table 21 7 time. So x value become how much? 7 is our required number. X value become x. This x value substitute in first number place and x value substitute in second number place. We get our required that two number. Therefore I am going to substitute. Therefore first number we consider it as x, that is equal to x value is how much? Is 7. Then second number, how it is? Second number we consider expression as 5x, that is 5 into x place 7. 5 7s are how much? 35. Therefore the required numbers are which are the required numbers? 7 and 35 are the required two numbers. I hope you can understand this question. Second question. So 7 and 35 is the required two numbers. This numbers is add both side, adding with them 21. Then first number, so 7 plus 21 comes to be 28. 28 into 2 comes to be how much? Here 56. Like this way we are calculation doing and solving time getting the expression. That is the meaning of that question. So which are the two numbers? 7 and 35 are the required numbers. Then next third question we tells about third was a sum. Here sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Third question they telling like that, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Then afterwards they telling that then these two the original number is interchanging. Interchanging means 10th place digit interchange to 1 ones place digit, ones place digit numbers interchange to tens place digit, then that number is equal to our interchanging number is equal to is greater than the original number by 27. Find out the two-digit number. That is the third question. The third question they tells like this. So we don't know which are the two-digit. Two-digit means here 10 to 99 numbers all are lies under which how many digit? Two digit. 10 to 99 numbers are two digit place value means in which 9 is, the first 9 is in which place? Tens place. The second 9 is in which place? Ones place or unit place. Then what is the place value of this 9? 9 is in tens place. We represent as a place value as 10 into 9. They are separated with plus sign. Second 9 is in which place? Unit place. Place value of a unit place is 1. So 9 into 1. So 10 into 9 become 90 plus 9 become in this way we get this number 99. So split and writing in this way. Same way here also they telling that there is a two-digit number. Sum of the digit of the two-digit number. So we can write it as we don't know unit to place number. What is the unit? Which is the two-digit number? Not to mention there. Our aim is to find out that two-digit number. So unit to place a digit we don't know, we consider it as x. Then next the tens place digit, that also we don't know, but one clue they given us sum of the digits of the two digit. That means here see one example I going to take 72 is a two digit number. Sum of the digit means 7 and 2 are adding. Which are the digits? 7 and 2 are the digits. That two digits are adding time. How much is the answer? Sum become 9. In this way they given us. That's why tens place digit we want to find. How to take that expression means result is given. Adding time result is given 9. Suppose one example here here dash plus 7 is equal to 12. 7 is added with one number, we get a result as 12. Question asking what is the first number? How to find out the first number? Given result is subtracted with the given number, we get a first number. So result is 12. 12 is subtracted with 7. How much is the answer? 5. That's why here first number become which number? 5. Same way here also sum is given. Two-digit number sum become how much? 9. And which digit number we know? Digit we know. Unit place digit number. What is that? We take it as x. So result is subtracted with the knowing place number. That's why here knowing place number, unit place digit they given as x. So tens place digit we consider it as 9 minus x. 9 how to get? Sum is given in the question. Sum of that two-digit number is given as 9. Then next step, therefore we next step in this way question asking them original number we want to find using then x value finding. After x value substitute in this original. Here place value wise how to write? Earlier I shown that here 9 is in 10th place. Place value wise how to write? 10 into 9. Now first in or 72 kc 7 is in which place? 10th place. So place value wise how to write? 7 is in 10th place means place value becomes 7 into 10. Split like plus in small class you learned 2 is in which place? 1's place. So 2 into 1. Unit place means 2 into 1. Then 7 into 10. 70 plus 2 becomes 72. So how to split and write like this. Same way here original number also we can split and write. Here tens place number is which number? 9 minus x. Tenth place digit means place value become how much? Into 10 plus unit to place digit is which number? X. So place value become how much? 1. So answer become how much? Open the bracket. 9 into 10 become 90 minus 9 into x. 10 into x become a 10x plus x into 1 become x. So original number become how much? 90 minus coefficient here x terms both are like terms, that's why coefficient here minus 10a, here coefficient is a plus 1. Minus 10a plus 1 comes to be how much? Minus 9x is our original number. I hope you can understand here. Original number become 90 minus 9x. Then in question they telling that second line they tells interchanging this digit, interchanging the digits. This digit are interchanging. According to question they says that they are interchanging. That means now 10th place which number? 9 minus. Unit digit is which number? X. That digits are interchanged. That means 10th place digit is interchanged to 1's place. 1's place digit interchanged to 10's place. So how we can write here new so interchanging time new number will getting there. So new number we can write it as 10's place value become 10 into now 10th place which digit we interchange it x comes as 10th place and unit place which number 9 minus x goes to the unit place. In this way come. So open the bracket, 10 into x become 10x plus any number multiply with 1 same number itself. 10x and minus x same like terms. 10 minus coefficient 10 here minus 1. 10 minus 1 comes to be how much? 9x plus 9 is our interchanging time getting a new number. So our new number become a 9x plus 9. Our original number become a 90 minus 9x. Then reading time that question last line they says that sum of this here new number, our new number is equal to the which way new number is greater than original number by 27. Last line of the question they says that new number is greater than original number by 27. So we can write in this way according to question. AQ means according to question. According to question what we can say here we can write it as or new number is equal to 27 here greater than original number by 27. So original number greater means what we want to do adding to. So which is our new number? 9x plus 9 is our new number, that is equal to which is our original number? 90 minus 9x. See, new number is 9x plus 9. Original number is 90 minus 9x. Is how much? 27 greater. New number is greater than the original number by 27. That's why in this way we write the expression. This is our linear equation for a bundle. Then make it as a same term and x value find, that is our x. So all x terms bring to 1 side. 9x is there. Minus 9x, right side minus 9x bring to left side comes to plus 9x. Then constant 90 plus 27 because how much coming there? 170. This constant and plus 9 sent to right side means plus 9 goes to opposite side comes to be minus 9. So 9 plus 9 coefficients like terms. Coefficients become 9 plus 9 comes to be 18x is equal to 108. So x value how to find? Directly 18 table use and cancel. Or 9 table use and cancel. 9 table 18 how many times? 2 times. 9 table 108 means how many times is it is 12. Again 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 12 means 6. So x value become how much? 6 is our x value. Then this x value substitute in the original number place, we get our original 2-digit number. So therefore our 2-digit number required 2-digit number is, therefore required 2-digit number is our expression is 90 minus 9x. That means 90 minus 9 into x place which value? 6. So 90 minus here Here I write 90 minus 9 into 6 become how much? 54. 90 minus 54 become how much? 36 is our answer. I hope you can. So which is our required 2-digit number? 36 is our required 2-digit number. That is supposed to find out the 2-digit number. This is the meaning of this third question. The next fourth question. Fourth question also same model question. That also same model question. Here also in this question they tells about here one of the 2-digit number of a 2 digits of a 2-digit number is here 3 times other number. In this way that question they one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other number. That's why we can consider that expression as a one of the number means we can take it as a unit digit, unit to place. There also 2-digit number, asking which 2-digit number is used. You need to place a digit. We consider it as x. Then tens place digit we consider it as is equal to 3 times the other number. 3 times means 3 into times represent as into other number. Other number means unit place number. Which is the unit place digit? X. So 3 into x become how much? 3x is our tens place digit. Next our aim, find out the original number. All questions first we find out original number. How to find out? 2-digit number means place value become tens and ones place numbers. Tens place which number is there? 3x. You need to place which number is there, so you place value become x into 1. 10 into 3x become how much? 30x plus x into 1 become x. Here coefficient like terms 30, here coefficient is 1. 30 plus 1 become how much? 31x is our original number. In this way they give one of the 2-digit number of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other number. In this way they given. Then we find out the original number become a 31x. Then here also interchange. These numbers are interchange. That means tens place digit is sent to unit to place a digit is sent to the tens place. There also interchanging is doing the interchanging digits. That means new number. At the interchanging time we get a new number. New number is equal to interchanging time tens place at that time which number coming x. You need to place a digit will coming on the tens place and you need to place which number coming tens place number is come 3x is a tens place number. So 3x into 1. 10 into x become 10x plus 3x into 1 means 3. Here also they are like terms. 10 plus 3 become how much? 13. They are like terms. That's why adding the coefficients and same variable writing. So new number become how much? 13x. Then next last line they given the expression as a sum of the new number and the original number become 88. Then find out the 2-digit number, which is our 2-digit number. That is the meaning of that question. So according to question we can write sum of these two number. Which are the two number? New number is added with the original number. Original number sum result to become 88. In this way the given new number is how much? 13x plus our original number is 31x. Sum become how much? 88 is the sum. So 13 plus 31 comes to be how much? 44x is equal to 88. Right left cancellation possible. Which table use to cancel? 4 table. 4 into 11 comes to be so 4 into 11 comes to be or otherwise here or 11 table 11 into 4 comes to be 44. Then 11 into 8 comes to be 88. Again 4 table 4 table using a 4 into 1 comes to be 4, 4 2s are 8. So x value become how much? 2 is our x value. So we get x value as a 2. This x value substitute in our original number place. We get our 2-digit number. Therefore we want our original number. Therefore original number is equal to original number equal, how much is original number we consider? 31x, that is equal to 31 2s are how much? 62 is our original 2-digit number. That is the meaning of this question using this 2-digit number. So our aim is to find out which is our 2-digit number considering what is our 2. So which is our 2-digit number? 62 is our 2-digit number. I hope you can understand this model question. Next, fifth question. Fifth question, here ages of a mother and a child is given. Age of a mother and a child is telling there. We want to find out the present age of the child and the present age of the mother. We want to find out. They given us first line. They tells that child name is Shobo. Shobo. My child name is Shobo. I use child only. Then child, the mother age is, in which way they given? 6 times the child age. So present age of mother is 6 times the child age. So here child age also we don't know, mother age also we don't know. They given clue as a expression. They given us telling us Shobo's mother age is 6 times the Shobo's age. Then after 5 years, child age is equal to 1/3 of his mother present age. Then find out the present age of the child and the present age of the mother. They are telling like this way. So we want to find out that present age of child and the mother. So present age of child we don't know, present age of mother we don't know. So we can consider it as present age of child we don't know. Means we consider in an alphabet as unknown value. We consider an alphabet, any alphabet. I consider alphabet as X. Then present age of mother, present age of mother. Mother age also we don't know, but they given who as a present age of mother is 6 times the child. 6 times means times, the word times represent as into child age or Shobo's present age is how much? X. We consider an alphabet X. So 6 into X become 6x is the present age of the mother. Then next what they telling him? After 5 years, after 5 years, age of child, in which way present child has X. After 5 means, suppose you have 12 years now, present after 5 years means 12 plus 5 comes to be 17 years, like this way. Present age of child is X. After 5 years means X plus 5 is the after 5 years age of the child. After 5 years age of child equal X plus 5. Then according to question, they tells that present after 5 years age of child, that is how much? X plus 5. After 5 years age of the child is equal to the 1/3 of present age of mother, present age of mother. That means X plus 5 equal 1/3 of means into present age of mother is how much? 6x. 3 table use and cancel. 3 table 6, 2. So X plus 5 equal 2x. 1 into 2, 2x. So X terms bring to one side and constant and keep in another side. So 5 we get plus x goes to opposite side. Already 2x is in the right side. plus x goes to opposite side, it comes to be minus x. Then coefficient 2, here coefficient 1, 2 minus 1 become how much? X value become 5. This implies that x value become how much? 5. X value we get it as 5. Therefore, what we can say, that is a question. Present age of child is equal to, we consider x, that is how much? 5 years. Child age become 5. Why? Because child age we take it as x. Then present age of mother, present age of mother is equal to, we consider an alphabet as 6x. That means x place 5, 6 5s are how much? Mother become 30 years old. Child is 5 years old and mother become 30 years old. This is the meaning of this question. Remaining problems we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.